Good morning, 8th grade students. I'm going to talk about creating cut line for the vinyl printer cutter, okay? So in the past, you've made cut lines that are hairline in thickness, and they're perfectly red, and the laser engraver um, identifies that as a vector cut line. We're going to be doing basically the same thing, except for our vinyl printer cutter has a few different requirements. So we can't use just red. It has to be, it's referred to as a spot color, and that spot color has to be named perf cut contour, and it has to be spelled perfectly and laid out exactly right, or it won't work. So it's not so much about color, it's not about thickness, but it's about having a perfect spot color. But that's what the vinyl printer cutter identifies, just like the laser engraver identifies red and hairline as cut line. So we have to add that to your color palette because this color is not in there. Now I've done this before, so I actually already have this color up here. It's this little green swatch. But the way we add color palettes is we go up to Window, click on, we go to Window, Dockers, Window to Dockers, and then we come down here to Color Palette Manager. Click on Color Palette Manager, and this is actually my cut right here. But we're going to go to My Palettes, and I'm going to click right here and right-click and New Blank Palette. Okay, under My Palettes. You can see here I have a palette already saved under My Palettes called Perf Cut Contour. Now see the way this is spelled, and notice that Perf is capitalized, Cut is capitalized, Contour is capitalized, and there are 0 spaces between any of them. You have to have it spelled exactly that way. That is actually what makes the printer identify the line, is that spelling. Any spot color that's spelled exactly that way, it will identify. So it has to be perf with capital P, cut with the capital C, contour with the capital C, spelled exactly this way with no spaces. Okay, so I'll go perf cut contour. It already exists. Yeah, I'm gonna have to replace it because I'm making a new one. You won't have that because you've never done this before. And then it will make perf cut contour right here. I can now right click and edit this palette, and I'm going to add a color here to this palette. So in CMYK, we're just going to go, I think it's 200. Nope, I got to double check here on my colors here. CMYK code, we want 100% 00. So edit color, 100% 00. Okay, that's fine. Name is perf cut contour. And oops, I spelled contour wrong. And our process is this is a spot color. So this has to be spot color, has to be 100% perf cut contour. And now we hit OK. And so now if I right click here and I edit palette, it's treated as a spot, perf cut contour, and there's the color. So now when you go to change your line, if I want this to be my cut line here, I double click right here. I can leave my width as 0.5, doesn't actually matter. I go to my colors here and I click on this box right here, which this is the show color palette. So in there, you might not immediately come to this menu, but if you do, you'll find My Palettes. You click on Perf Cut Contour, you'll select that color, hit OK, and it'll change that. And that's your cut line, and now your project will cut out on that line. Good luck with this. Let me know if you have any questions.